Getting close to the season, incredibly humbling experience, so I'm glad to get that behind us.
What was it like to get out there and practice and get back into the swing of football?
I'm a football player, and football players play football. So, it's good to be back out there with the guys. Not that I didn't enjoy coaching, but that's not what I'm here to do. Looking forward to getting after quarterbacks. Joey Bose did a great job of keeping me in shape, whether that was forms of conditioning and weightlifting, and really got after it the last month. So this practice went well. Football's a tough sport, and I'm looking forward to getting back in shape, but I'm ready to go.